video, we are excited to introduce you to the R270 Vacuum Sealer, a must-have appliance for every household. Discover the exceptional features of this model that will revolutionize how you preserve food, saving you valuable time and money. Let's get started. First, let's set the sealing time. For our bag today, which is 80 microns per side, we'll set the sealing time to 4 seconds. You can adjust the sealing time according to the thickness of your bags. Next, open the cover of the vacuum sealer and carefully insert the nozzle inside the bag. Make sure the bag is straight and even for a smooth sealing process. Close the cover tightly until you hear the locking sound, ensuring a secure seal. Position the food about 1 centimeter away from the sealing bar to allow proper sealing space. Now it's time to start the vacuuming process. Press the start button to initiate the vacuuming. If your food contains liquid, don't worry. The vacuum sealer is equipped with a canister to capture any liquids during the process, ensuring safe sealing even with wet foods like seafood. Once the vacuuming is complete, it's time to seal the bag. Press and hold the sealing bar firmly until you hear the beep sound. Fantastic! You have now successfully vacuum packed your food using the R270 Vacuum Sealer. With this simple process, you can enjoy perfectly preserved food for longer periods. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our customer support team. Thank you for watching. See you again.